Good morning and welcome back to my channel. So, woke up this morning wanting to have some collard greens for dinner tonight. Now, when I make my collard greens, I put a couple essential items in them. Obviously, the collard greens, some smoked meat, some hot peppers, and some okra. So, we're out in the backyard garden in patio row to pick some hot peppers, and then we're going to go back inside to pick the collard greens, and then we're going to pick some okra. These are my jalapenos, and they're small, but I'm going to go ahead and pick some of these. Okay, this is my cayenne pepper bush, and we're going to get a few off of here as well. That's it for here. These are Scotch bonnets. last but not least, these are some cayenne and some Trinidad seasoning peppers. Don't see any over here except for one that may be worth getting. Nope, that one's been stung. Okay, we don't have any peppers over here to get, so we're gonna go inside and get the collard greens and okra. And these are my, I forget what type these are, Georgia blue collards. Okay, here's my harvest. We had some nice greens. We got a nice variety of peppers. And we got okra. So we're going to go inside and clean these up and cook them. Well, I want to thank you for coming along with me while I satisfied my fix for collard greens. If you got something out of it, give me a big thumbs up. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, please take this moment to consider doing so. I can grow a lot of vegetables by myself, but I can't grow the channel without your help. You can also meet me on my social media group site on Facebook, Small Space Gardening, where you'll meet like-minded individuals like yourself that are interested in gardening but are only limited by space. You can share your expertise and also learn something. If you're interested in any of the products and seeds that I used in the video, you can head over to my Amazon storefront, or you can head over to my website. Both of the links are in the description section of the video. I hope you got something out of it. And until next time, always remember, even in small spaces such as mine, you can grow a great amount of food for yourself and your family. Stay strong, stay blessed, and grow, grow, grow. Also remember to give thanks to God, for without Him, we are nothing.